Voice Vision project of Vasudev Bhubna Memorial Trust in association with SIMSA presents Entrepreneurial Idea Award 2019.
Professor Asha Bhatia from SIMSA. Voice Vision founder Sushmita Bibna interacting with participants and volunteers. Discussing do's and don'ts to follow while interacting with person with disability. Mentor Session 1 on Sources of Finance conducted by Lion CA Sunil Patodia.
हाँ, मैं वॉइस विजन की जो फाउंडर है सुष्मिता जी बुबना, उनके साथ 3 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ। और उन्होंने जब मेरे को इस वर्कशॉप के बारे में बताया कि जो हमारे फिजिकली चैलेंज ब्रदर्स और सिस्टर हैं उनके लिए एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इंस्पायरेशन के लिए वर्कशॉप 3 दिन की आयोजन कर रही है और उसमें मुझे बोलने का मौका मिल रहा है, तो मैं अपने आप को बहुत गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहा हूँ।
Asha ma'am and Sushmita ma'am felicitating our mentor.
Still, how would that differ in making me an entrepreneur in a sense if the same thing can also be approached from a freelance point of view?
Mentor Session 2 on legal registrations and compliances by CA Alpa Kuwadia.
Practically no difference. A sole proprietor maybe they must be having a brand name which is registered. Say, I'll give you my own example. If I'm a chartered accountant and I'm working as a freelancer and writing books of accounts of 4 companies, okay, I'm working as Alpa Kuwadia and going and withdrawing salary, part-time salary from four different places. Okay, now I become a sole proprietor. You need a GST registration, you need a PAN card. You want a place on rent, you need a PAN card. You want to employ someone, you need a PAN card. Anything that you want to do, you will need a PAN card before everything else. Okay, so the
Mentor Session 3 on marketing and designing, user-centric solution conducted by Mr. Shri Raman.
I run a company which is completely involved in building solutions of voice. If you have known Alexa and Google Assistant, Google software on top of it. One of the things we really...
Hey, hi, my name is Shri Raman. I run a company called Agraya Technologies. This has been a really good experience coming here because we have people who are kind of challenged in vision. So the ideas they come up with has a lot of empathy towards some of the other people who face similar challenges. It's very unusual for me to meet other entrepreneurs who are solving for such challenges. So it's a great experience to meet those guys and hear those ideas.
Participants and volunteers discussing their ideas with each other. Voice Vision founder clarifying the doubts while guiding to take their ideas further. Mentor Session 4 on ways to evaluate an idea conducted by Mr. Anshul Dave.
वहाँ आपको 7 years का टैक्स एग्जम्पशन मिलता है स्टार्टअप्स, और जो आपकी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स उनको भी एग्जम्पशन मिलेगा, प्लस उन पे कोई टैक्स की उनको कोई नोटिस नहीं आएगा और इंक्वायरी नहीं होगी। I came with a perception that I was not sure whether there will be a lot of interaction also, but there were very intelligent and smart questions from the audience. They were very interactive, very participative. So really enjoyed answering all the questions and the queries.
Mentors Session 5 on Social Media Marketing by Professor Rohit Onkar.
This is going to be an elevator pitch. Elevator pitch के लिए आपको 1 मिनट मिलेगा, ठीक है? एंड 1 मिनट में मुझे ये सारी चीज़ें हैं परफेक्ट, ओके, बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई वॉन्ट यू टू फोकस ऑन द आइडिया। एलिवेटर पिच है, आपको मुझे कन्विंस करना है। मैंने 10 लाख ऑलरेडी दे दिए हैं, अगर मेरे को 10 का 20 करना है, राइट, या इफ आई वॉन्ट टू बी इन इट फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म, ठीक है? वो एलिवेटर पिच में आप मेरे को क्या कहानी बताओगे वो बताइए आप।
ऑयल यूज कर रहा हूं, दैट इज नॉट कन्विंसिंग। अगर मेरे को टेस्ट अच्छी लग रही है, आई विल स्टिल गो फॉर 10 रुपीस। सो आई एम नॉट एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग मच ऑन द फूड साइड, बट व्हाट आई एम एडिंग इज एन एडिशनल सर्विस टू इट।
ओके,
मेंटल हेल्थ को लेके इंडिया में उतना अवेयरनेस नहीं है। इफ आई एम गोइंग टू अ काउंसलर,
kind of theme restaurant.
ओके,
Let's come up with the idea of, I have come up with the idea of Maharashtrian food. क्योंकि Mumbai has become a metropolitan city. A lot of people comes from outside, like every part of India. So they need to get aware about the
a lot of sessions where I get to interact with entrepreneurs, with businesses of various shapes and sizes, right? But this was the first occasion when I got to interact with differently or specially abled people, right? And to be honest, I was a little scared because a lot of my presentations style is audio visual enabled style.
Mentors Session 6 on designing a pitch for the entrepreneur's idea, conducted by Mr. Terry Turok, Chief Innovation Officer in Actis.
Okay, on the upper left quadrant, if you think about four cubes and 4 quadrants, number 1, your pitch, powerful.
लेकिन मेरा जो ट्रिक रहेगा वो अच्छा ब्रांड का मशीन में आएगा और साफ सुथरा रहेगा।
Groups are discussing their pitch. Asha ma'am and Sushmita ma'am felicitating our mentor.
In association with various clubs of the Lions International Club District 3231A3, Melange, Enactus, Somaya Social Cell, Choice International Limited, The Bike Hospitality, Samang Consumer Products, Rasna International, Jams, SNS, Speed Networking Sutra, Newshook, Rotaract Club of Northern Suburbs, Rotaract Club of Mumbai Sky City, along with 16 plus districts and 30 plus Rotaract clubs across Asia. Contact us at website www.voicevision.in, Facebook facebook.com/voicevision.in, Instagram voice.vision, Twitter @voicevision_in, YouTube Voice Vision, telephone 022 4040 0000, mobile 98205 66010. Thank you for watching the video. do not forget to like, share and subscribe.